As North American companies seek to simplify and regionalize their supply chains, Mexico has emerged as an important global manufacturing hub. Some of the world's largest companies in the automotive, aerospace, and electronics industries are increasing manufacturing here. But supplying these assembly plants from Asia-Pacific becomes a challenge with standard shipping options. Air freighter service is extremely limited, ocean shipping is too slow, and standard trucking service from the U.S. into Mexico is complicated and subject to delays. That's why Dimerco introduced its Air Plus Road solution. For example, it gives you door-to-door shipping from China factories to Mexico customers via U.S. air freight gateways in 6 to 8 days. Here's how it works. You can use Dimerco's regular consolidated air freight services from Guangzhou and Shanghai to both Los Angeles and Dallas. Once freight arrives in the U.S., there's no customs clearance process. Products travel from these gateways via bonded trucks across the Mexican border and directly to the international airport closest to your end customer. Team drivers travel non-stop, only on highways, to ensure the security of your cargo en route. At the airport, cargo is inspected, cleared, then picked up by Dimerco's long-term partner for last-mile delivery. The solution includes full truckload and less than truckload options, so it works for larger or smaller shipments. Dimerco's multimodal solution helps you keep your delivery promises, and best of all, you can manage every element of the door-to-door solution through one Dimerco contact. Want to learn more? Reach out to a Dimerco freight specialist.